Hi IT lovers of my classes, welcome to Easy Machine Learning #1 Part 1 with Python on Google Colab. We have already practiced a lot of Python. I hope you remember it all, or else I invite you to watch my previous tutorials. Now I think we are good enough to start with 2 easy machine learning projects. Look, first I'm gonna introduce you to machine learning in short using some synthetic data. And then I got another data set ready called storeSales.csv. We want to train a random forest regressor model so it can prophesy, make predictions for future years' sales and print them. Thank God I'm about to tell you the same thing in German and French. In German. Hallo IT-Leute, willkommen zum einfachen Machine Learning mit Python in Google Colab. Wir haben schon viel Python geübt. Ich hoffe, Sie erinnern sich daran, sonst dürfen Sie ruhig meine vorherigen Tutorials nochmals ansehen. Jetzt denke ich, dass wir gut genug sind, um mit 2 einfachen Machine Learning Projekten zu beginnen. Zuerst werde ich Machine Learning Thema kurz vorstellen, indem ich einige synthetische Daten verwende, und dann habe ich weiteren Daten in einem Datei namens storeSales.csv parat. Wir möchten ein Random Forest Regressor Modell trainieren, damit es Vorhersagen für den Umsatz in zukünftigen Jahren trifft. Gott sei Dank erzähle ich euch gleich wieder das Gleiche auf Französisch. Alors maintenant en français, ça donne voilà, un grand coucou à tous ceux qui apprécient mes cours de IT en ligne. Bienvenue à mes cours d'initiation au machine learning facile avec Python dans Google Colab. Nous avons déjà beaucoup pratiqué Python. J'espère que vous vous en souvenez un peu ou beaucoup. Sinon, je vous invite à regarder mes tutoriels précédents. Maintenant, je pense que nous sommes assez avancés pour commencer avec 2 projets machine learning simples à comprendre. Je vais d'abord vous présenter machine learning en bref en utilisant des données synthétiques. Et puis ensuite, j'ai préparé d'autres données dans un fichier nommé storeSales.csv. Nous allons entraîner un modèle qui s'appelle Random Forest Regressor afin qu'il puisse faire des prédictions pour les ventes des années futures. Dieu merci encore une fois, je vous ai dit la même chose en anglais et en français, et en allemand et en français aussi. Allez, on commence. Let's start. All right, this is Colab, Google Colab. This is where I'm going to do it. But of course, you can do it also on VS Code or on Jupyter Notebook. Me, I'm going to choose Colab. Let's start. This is the cell. If you want a new cell, you just press here by plus code, and then it's going to insert a new cell. And this is where you type. So from sklearn, the library, we're going to get a linear here. And as you can see, we have also some IntelliSense here, so we can choose from sklearn.linear model. Then we want to import NumPy. A lot of people already know about NumPy as NP. And then I'm going to add here a comment so you know what I'm doing. And here we want to create a synthetic data, as I told you. Create synthetic. Actually, I'm going to make some space. And here we can start. We're going to get the X equal np.array. And we're going to get here inside some square brackets 1. So they are nested, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's just an easy one as an example. And then we want our target. So X are the features, and y is always the target. So y equal, we make sure that these are capital letters, and then here by y we want np dot array, and we're going to get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 here. Yes, like this. And then I'm going to add another comment. So create and train. All right, this is just an intro. I'm going to explain more while we are going to perform the other one, but right now it's a good intro to machine learning. Okay, here we want the model equal linear regression, as we can choose right here, and here model dot fit x, y, x, comma, y. Here we want to add a comment, and this is going to be make predictions. It's going to be here, of course, predictions equal model dot predict, and we want to predict what, x. Then let's add another comment here. We want to print the predictions. And here we can insert predict predictions. And this is where we want to get a comma here. And we write it one more time. Predictions. So I hope you can see right here. We cannot change the theme like in VS Code, but I hope you can see the script. This is what we are going to do now. And here, this is where you can run to see the outputs. And these are our predictions. As you can see, this is what machine learning is all about. So you have some data, and then you have to clean them, and then you have to split them, and you train the model to make predictions. Now let's go to our store sales predictions project. Yes, by the way, if you are done with the cell, either you can just add one, so you have just a second cell starting here, but I'm going to get rid of, I'll let you take a look just in case you want to copy. And where you have to go in order to delete is here. I hope you can see by the upper right corner, here's the symbol. This is where you delete your cell. And then you can start another one by just re-clicking in the plus. And here, this is where we have some files which are already, integrated in the system. So you can use them if you want to, train machine learning. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload my CSV file right here. So you go by upload. Okay. And here is my file, storeSales.csv. And it's going to show up here inside the gallery of the documents. As you can see, it's right here down here, storeSales.csv, and this is what we're going to need. So we go back here and we start like import pandas as PD from sklearn. import pandas as PD from sklearn ensemble.import, and here we want the random forest. It's right here. We're going to choose this one, Random Forest Regressor. And we move on with from sklearn. We want the matrix. Matrix. Import the mean squared error. It's right here. We can choose. This is a formula. Then we want our data frame df, data frame equal pd like panda, dot read, and we want our CSV to get read, so CSV, and then we have to get the file path inside here. So all we have to do is to go by the file right here, and here we can choose copy path, and this path we're going to get it inside here. So we have our file path here. And as before in the introduction, we are going to insert our X, which are the features. And here we want to get the data frame, double square brackets, and we want the year. And we do that also for the target. So Y, big Y, equal, same thing, data frame. In square brackets, we want total, we want the total of the sales. And now we want the model equal random forest. It's right here, Random Forest Regressor. Let me finish that so I can explain what I'm doing. And here we want to insert our N estimators equal to 100. I choose 100. And then the random state is going to be equal 42. What it means is that, let me get rid of that. It means that we are creating a random forest model with 100 decisions tree, and we are setting the random seed to 42 for reproducibility. Let's put it like this. Okay, and here we want then the model dot fit and x comma y. Let me explain. When you call model fit xy, like here, let me get rid of that. You are essentially instructing the model to learn the patterns and the relationships between the input features, meaning x, and the target variable, which is y, from the provided dataset, our storeSales.csv. We are actually fitting the model to the data. This is what it means. And here we want the future years equal, I'm just going to get, the rest of 2024 and 2025. That's going to be enough. And here we want the future sales. but I'm going to add the comment at the end. Let's first finish here. Feature sales is going to be equal to model dot predictor. I'm going to get here inside the pd dot data frame like this, and we want the future years, comma, column equal the year, and here we want for year, comma, sales in it's a zip, let's put it like this, future years and future sales. I hope it makes sense for you right now. And here we want to print here we're going to need a feed form again, and predicted sales for, and here we want our year inside here. We need some column, and then our sales, we want our sales here, and the 2 decimal dot 2f, and here that's it. Okay, now I'm just gonna insert the comments so you can have the complete code with all the comments if you just wanna, you know, do the same thing. So just in case you need an example of CSV and you like mine, which is called storeSales.csv, you can just, you know, give me a comment that you need it, and I'm going to send it to you. Or of course, you can create your own data set. It's really easy. Okay, we are good. So I inserted the comments. First, you load the data set. Okay, you don't forget about the library, of course, Panda and so on. And then you load the dataset from the CSV file, as we did. And then we split the dataset into features X and target Y. Then we train the test split, which is not needed as we have only a few data points. So all we have to do then is to train a random forest regressor model. And then we make predictions for future years. And then we print the predicted sales for future years. Now we can just run and see the output. And in order to see, you have to scroll down, and here we have our predicted sales for 2024 and 2025, which is 233,000 for a year. This is a store, so these are the predictions for 2024 and 2025. This is how machine learning works. But if you want to see the predictions also on a graphic, it's coming. This is what we are going to do next week. We're going to use the same store sales and the same, predictions request, but we want to see the graphic next time. Okay, let me show you the whole thing one more time. Our random forest regressor model made a good work. All right. Okay, that's enough for today. I hope you liked our first machine learning project. The rest is coming next, if God's willing. Until then, may He bless you. Bye-bye.